What is crypto volatility? The ups and downs explained. All right, crypto fam, let's talk about something you'll experience every day in this market. Volatility. It's the wild price swings that make crypto both exciting and incredibly risky. Today, we're going to break down what crypto volatility really is, why it happens, and what it means for your investments. Let's get to it. Defining volatility. In simple terms, volatility refers to how much and how quickly the price of an asset changes over time. Cryptocurrencies are famous for being highly volatile, meaning their prices can go up or down dramatically within hours, days, or weeks. Unlike traditional assets like stocks, which tend to move more gradually, crypto is often a fast-paced, high-stakes game. Why is crypto so volatile? So why are cryptocurrencies so much more volatile? Several factors contribute. New market. It's a relatively young market compared to stocks. It's still finding its footing, making it more susceptible to large swings. Lower liquidity for some coins. For many altcoins, there isn't as much money flowing in and out as there is in major stock markets. Smaller trades can therefore have a bigger impact on price. Speculation. A huge amount of crypto trading is driven by speculation, rumors, and hype, FOMO, rather than fundamental company performance. Influence of whales. Large investors known as whales can move massive amounts of crypto, causing significant price shifts with a single trade. Global and 24/7. Crypto markets never close, meaning news and events can impact prices at any time, unlike traditional markets with set hours. The upside and downside of volatility is a double-edged sword. On one hand, it offers the potential for massive gains in a short period, attracting many investors. On the other hand, it comes with significant risk, meaning you can lose a substantial amount of money just as quickly. Understanding crypto volatility is crucial before you invest. It's the wild nature of the market. If you found this explanation helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more essential crypto insights. How do you handle volatility? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.